Hello everyone, welcome to How To Videos. In my previous video which was regarding PowerToys, I had shown you how you can get the PowerToys app and add productivity to your Windows machine. Let's see some more tools that the PowerToys app has in order to add productivity. Let's say you are interested in making a thumbnail and you saw that okay, this is the color I need for some purpose. You can use the color picker tool to pick the color. Just press Windows C and the color picker is active. Just do a left click and the hex value has been copied to the clipboard, which is this one. Next is the text extractor tool. This could be helpful in case you have an image and you want to extract text from that image. Just hit that Windows Shift T shortcut and you will be able to extract this text just by drawing a rectangle around the text. The text has been copied and you can get it over here. Next is Screen Ruler. This tool can be used to measure distance between 2 points in the screen. You can use either by drawing a rectangle or using this tool or horizontal or vertical measurements. This is how the measurement happens. Just make a left click and the value will be copied. In case you want to change the shortcut keys in any of these tools, you will be able to do so by going to the settings of the tool. Hope you find this video helpful. Like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.